Hello everyone, I'm Engineer James Okorie, the founder and director of James Okorie Technical Institute. I know you might be wondering what I'm doing with these cameras and what I'm doing with board. By the way, this is James Okorie Technical Institute, where we practically train people on solar installation, CCTV camera installation, industrial control panel and automation, AutoCAD design, and anything that concerns electrical. And you can come for our physical training and you can enroll for online training. We are located at number 1 Alabede Street in Okorie, Lagos State, and you can enroll for online training, just as said. Now, today, I want us to talk about CCTV camera installation. CCTV camera installation. Now, with me here are 3 different kinds of CCTV camera. Now, we have what we call analog camera here, the IP network camera here, and also the standalone camera. Let's work with them one after the other. Now, we shall begin with the analog type cameras. These are analog cameras. This is analog camera. This is analog camera. How do you know analog camera? When you check analog camera, you see that they work with what we call the DVR, digital video recorder, and also they work with what we call coaxial cable, which can be RG59, and also they are purely analog, right? Now you can remotely view analog cameras also, but it means that you must view it using what we call, you must work it out with what we call the DVR. DVR simply means digital video recorder. Now when you check these analog cameras, we have what we call indoor cameras, we have what we call outdoor cameras. These ones are outdoor cameras. Indoor cameras are mainly used indoorly in order to work and they remotely view and view what is inside. Then outdoor cameras are to be mounted outdoorly. Also, their IP matters, ingress protection matters, so that if they are outside, they can be protected. Also, if you are buying a camera and you are mounting outside, make sure that the IP is more than 50. It can be IP from 65 and all the rest of them. The more the sealed part of the the more the ceiling of the camera, the more it can be mounted outdoorly. So this is analog camera. Now, when you check analog cameras, you see that each analog camera that you are buying can be 2 MP, can be 5 MP megapixel. So if you are buying a camera, maybe analog camera, make sure that the megapixel you are using is high so that it can be able to capture boldly and be very fine whenever it's capturing. So these are analog cameras. Now, what is a camera? We say that cameras are optical devices which we use to capture the motion or picture of an area. So if you are working with camera, you can decide to work with analog camera. The advantage of this analog camera is that it's very cheap, right? It's cheaper compared to other kinds of cameras. So if you're working with camera, it means that you're working on low budget camera. And also, it's also very, very nice whenever you are dealing with maybe long distance connection. So you can decide to use analog cameras. Also for maintenance, it's easy to maintain because analog cameras work with what we call BSC connector, coaxial cables, and before you know it, it's just like manual. So it's you fixing it and connecting it and it working out perfectly. So analog cameras are repaired for low budget installation and also for easy maintenance installation, and also for people that want to do long connection, and also for people also that will want to do the installation on their own. Analog cameras are very, very easy to install. So every electrician, technician, engineer is supposed to know how to fix and how to connect analog cameras, right? So these are analog cameras with me. There are outdoor cameras, so you can try it out. It's very easy to install. So at James Okorie Technical Institute, we train you and we teach you everything that concerns these cameras, how to connect these cameras, right? So you will learn everything that concerns the installation of analog cameras using the DVR, the analog camera, including the indoor, the outdoor, and all the rest of them. I'm James Okorie. This is what we teach. At James Okorie Technical Institute, we practically teach everybody hands on practical training on solar installation, CCTV camera installation, industrial control panel and automation, AutoCAD design, automatic transfer switch, electrical wiring and installation, which include the domestic, the commercial, the industrial. We are located at number 1 Alabede Street in Okorie, Lagos State. You can call us or send us a WhatsApp message on the number you see on the screen, which is 07038187748. So in our next video, we'll be learning how to connect this. So don't miss out. Always follow our video. Thank you very much.